Hello. With QuickRows, we can perform advanced analysis in seconds, manipulating, filtering and updating listings easily, without using formulas or complex functions. For example, using QuickRows function number 8, we will do some quick searches on this worksheet, which contains information about more than 10,000 used cars, including market price, location and some technical data. This table is a duplicate of the original listing. In the left side there are slicers and buttons. When pressed, some of these buttons can be converted into slicers, except if their column contains too many different values. Each column header displays useful data, including the number of rows, empty cells and different values. In case of the columns with numerical values, the sum, max, min, and average values are also displayed when they become active. Let's activate the database registration date column by pressing its button. Perfect. If a button is pressed and the column contains too many different values or if it has numerical content, then the slicer is not created, but is equally activated. Let's select all the BMW cars. Perfect. To select all the BMW X3 models, we press the Models button. Unfortunately, the column contains too many different values, so the column is activated, but the slicer is not created. We will set an advanced filter to extract all of them, inserting the desired matching text in the green cells and pressing Enter. If we had used the slicer, it would have been necessary to press all the different versions where the X3 model appears, so using the filter was the better solution. The advanced filters provide additional segmentation capabilities to perform detailed analysis. For example, we could search for a Ford Mustang at an affordable price, between $5,000 and $10,000. Another option is to set filters to get the highest or lowest values. For example, we could ask for the 10 more expensive cars, inserting the number and a plus sign. Or perhaps, the 5 oldest ones, inserting a minus sign instead. QuickRows provides additional functions to update tables easily. Let's suppose that we want to create an additional field or column to put some of the cars on sale, and announce all the 4-cylinder Cadillacs with a 10% off. All we have to do is to set the new column's name, select the Cadillacs with the slicers, and insert the specific rebate campaign in the blue cell of the new column. Once it has been done, just press the blue button to apply these values to the selected rows. To verify our task, we can repeat the selection and observe the values in the column. Perfect. We could go a step further and modify the promotion, adding a conditional text specifying cash payment only. In such case, we'd insert the new text to be aggregated to the previous one with a leading plus sign to indicate that the new text will be aggregated after the existing text. That's it. As you can see, QuickRows is a powerful tool to improve your productivity in Excel. See you in the next video.